स्टार्ट। हाय गाइस, फोर्स पॉइंट की तरफ से दिवाली गिफ्ट आ गया है। लेट्स ओपन इट एंड चेक व्हाट वी हैव गॉट हियर। सो सबसे पहले डब्बा, काफ़ी बड़ा सा डब्बा। लेट्स सी व्हाट्स देयर इन इट। डैम, लुक्स ग्रेट। सबसे पहले तो ये 2 लैटिन लाइट्स से वापस से लगाते हैं। नेक्स्ट वी गेट हियर इज ग्रीन टी, 2 green teas. Yeah, not 2. We have got 4, I guess. And this one also. So 4 green teas. Nice. Let's open one of these and check how it looks. Oh, that is a good package. Looks really great. Next we have here is this is almond, right? Looks great. We'll open it later. Let's check the other stuff. Oh, this is a good welcome card. Not welcome card, sorry. Diwali wish card. What's this? These are Indian spice raisins. Okay, these are the raisins. Let's check what's inside the box. Should be okay. This is a seal pack box of raisins. Looks really delicious. We'll check this out later. और देखते हैं क्या क्या मिला है। काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं ऐसे तो देखा जाए तो। These are crunch bites. Oh wow! Oh, lot of flavors. Oreo, mango, and stuff. Yeah, looks great again. Let's check more on this. These are, I have already checked this. These are agarbattis. Very nice smell of these agarbattis. काफ़ी अच्छा है यार. Let's keep it back. Wow, the packing is very nice to be exact. Oh, look at these. These are, I guess these are nuts. No, ragi sticks. Looks great. Next we have here is corn cracker. Oh, a box of corn cracker. Again, it looks great. Okay, what's this? This is a big box. Let's open this. Oh, another box inside this. No, what's this? Oh wow, what's this? It looks great. I think this is a bottle kind of stuff. Yeah, glass bottle. Yeah, correct. This is a glass bottle. Very nice. This looks very good. This is the packing. Yeah, now we are left with these two. Let's check this out. So this is something written. Should be related to this only. Let's check. Yeah, mostly related to that stuff only. Let's open the box. Let's see क्या क्या है इस box में. And yeah, oh damn, wow, these are laddus, I guess. My opinion, yeah, these are laddus only. The packaging is very good, as you can see. और काफ़ी अच्छा पैकेजिंग है इस बॉक्स का. So this was my Diwali gift. After all, wishing you guys happy Diwali from my side also. See ya in the next video. Goodbye.